Ultrasonic cleaning solutions are specially formulated liquids used in ultrasonic cleaners, devices that use high-frequency sound waves, ultrasound, to clean items. These solutions enhance the cleaning process by loosening and removing dirt, grease, oils, contaminants, and other residues from various surfaces when combined with ultrasonic energy. Here are some common uses of ultrasonic cleaning solutions. 1. Jewelry cleaning. Removes tarnish, dirt, and grime from delicate jewelry, including rings, necklaces, earrings, and watches. The solution safely cleans intricate details without damaging the items. 2. Medical and dental instruments. They are used to clean surgical tools, dental instruments, and other medical devices. The solution ensures thorough cleaning, removing blood, tissue, and other contaminants, which helps in sterilization processes. 3. Automotive parts. Cleans carburetors, fuel injectors, engine components, and other automotive parts. The solution effectively removes carbon deposits, oil, grease, and rust without damaging the parts. 4. Electronics. Safely cleans delicate electronic components, such as circuit boards, without causing damage. It removes flux, oils, and other residues that may interfere with performance. 5. Optical components. Used for cleaning lenses, eyeglasses, microscopes, and other optical instruments. The solution removes fingerprints, dust, and oils without scratching or damaging the delicate surfaces. 6. Firearms. Cleans gun parts, including barrels, bolts, and triggers. The solution removes carbon buildup, gunpowder residue, and lubricants, ensuring the firearms function properly. 7. Laboratory equipment. Cleans glassware, test tubes, beakers, and other laboratory instruments. The solution removes chemical residues, oils, and contaminants, ensuring accuracy in experiments. 8. Industrial parts. Cleans small metal parts, gears, and other components used in manufacturing and engineering. The solution helps maintain the precision and functionality of these parts. 9. Dental appliances. Cleans dentures, retainers, and other dental appliances. The solution removes plaque, tartar, and bacteria, promoting oral hygiene. 10. Musical instruments. Cleans brass, woodwind, and other musical instrument components. The solution removes oils, dirt, and other residues, preserving the sound quality and appearance. In all these applications, the ultrasonic cleaning solution works in conjunction with the ultrasonic waves to ensure deep, thorough cleaning of items, even hard-to-reach areas. Different solutions are formulated for specific materials and contaminants to optimize cleaning efficiency and safety.